All right, people, welcome back after the break. Let's go ahead. Everyone over here, before the break, we had gone ahead and learned goods and service. Now, goods and service has to be supplied. Goods and service has to be supplied. Only then GST will get levied. Means GST will get imposed on a transaction only if you fall in the definition of supply. So, what I have gone ahead and done should fall in the definition of supply. For example, I have 100 mobile phone in my shop, but I'm not selling them. Can GST come? Can GST come? Yes or no, everyone? No. Okay. Is it blinking? ठीक है. Huh. So unless I go ahead and supply something, GST can't get imposed. So if I go ahead and sell a mobile phone, can GST come? Yes. For example, I know to how to teach. People who are still talking, kindly be quiet. We have already started the class. Everyone here now. For example, I go ahead, I go ahead and I know how to teach. But I'm not teaching anyone. I'm sleeping at home. Can government wake me up and say, Ramesh, will charge GST on you? Unless I go ahead and provide the service. Do you guys agree with me? Now, all this providing the service, selling the goods, all these are not called goods sold, goods service provided. We don't go ahead and call this. We all only call one thing nowadays. Goods will be supplied, service will be supplied, then GST will be levied. Now we are going to understand what are the things those falls in the definition of what everyone supply. Only if your activity falls in the definition of supply, GST will come. No supply, no GST. So supply is basically what? Supply is the taxable event, the event which happens because of which tax gets imposed. Can I quote everyone? So supply is also known as what everyone? The event because of which the GST will get imposed. That's why we call it the taxable event. Now, if I go ahead and show you one question, everyone over here now. Meghraj and Co. wishes to commence the business of supplying ready-made garment within Punjab and in the neighboring states of what everyone? Delhi and Haryana. Kindly state as to what is the taxable event under GST and whether leviability of CGST, SGST, UTGST and IGST. Tell me one thing. This guy is from what everyone? He wants to sell within Punjab. Can you tell me what is the taxable event? What is the taxable event because of which GST will come? Supply. Correct? Only if he supplies, GST will come. Do you guys agree? If he supplies within Punjab, what will come? CGST, SGST. If he supplies from one state to another state, Delhi and Haryana, if he's supplying that, can I go ahead, everyone? Total bakwas. Very, very easy question. Right, everyone? So, people, tell me one thing. What is supply? That taxable event. The event which happens because of which GST will come. Can I go ahead, everyone? Now, supply, when we go ahead and learn, supply, they have gone ahead and given one broad definition so that they can go ahead and cover a lot of things. Are we all clear? And supply ka definition they have gone ahead and given in section number 7 of the CGST Act. Which act, everyone? CGST Act ka section number 7. When we read section number 7, section number 7 has three parts. Section number 7.1, 7.1a, and section number 7.2. One more section number 7.3 is there, which is total bakwas. Tell me one thing. Section number 7 has what, everyone? Section number 7.1, 7.1 capital A, 7.2. See, Baba. Section number 7.1. Everyone listen carefully. Baba, very, very easy chapter. Trust me, if you listen carefully in the class, you'll not have to go home and do anything. Only question answer you will solve and you will feel very good. But in the class, if you're not listening, if you're talking, you'll waste your time. See, Baba, wasting time here, going home and crying, and then later feeling I did not understand anything is of no point, right? You are sitting in the class, enjoy the class. I'll also enjoy the class. You will learn everything. Can we go ahead, everyone? Can we go ahead, everyone? Section number 7, when I go ahead and say, section number 7 has 7.1a, AA, B, and C. If you fall in any one of them, your activity will become a supply. So if I fall in A, AA, B, or C anywhere, My activity will become what, everyone? Now, once my activity is supply, for example, one restaurant is there selling food. Restaurant wala is selling dosa. Is he supply? Yes. Now, whether he is supplying goods or he is supplying service. In 71A, they went ahead and clarified whether restaurant will be. Means once it is supply, what you are doing is supply, whether it is supply of goods or supply of service, because rate of goods and service is different. Restaurant, will you classify as goods or service? Confusion, right? They have clarified. See, section number 71A may they have told over here, restaurant, please classify always as what, everyone? Supply of service. So people, if you are falling in section number 71A, AA, B and C, your activity is what, everyone? Now, whether supply of goods or supply of service, where will you see? Funny. Can I go ahead, everyone? Now, there are some activities which government went ahead and told, even though it is supply, but we don't want GST. And hence government wrote those activities here that it is neither supply of goods nor supply of, and government wrote here in section number 7. Is my point clear? So in this chapter, we will first learn section number 71A, AA, B and C. Can you tell me if you are falling under here 71A, AA, B and C, your activity will be what, everyone? Now, whether your activity is supply of goods or service, you will see section number 71A. If you are falling in section number 71A anywhere here, then your activity is supply of goods or supply of. Then you have section number 72, which says if you are falling here, then your activity is neither supply of goods nor supply of. Please tell me, everyone, are we clear with this point? Chalo, let's do one thing, everyone. Let's go ahead and start understanding the chapter of supply now. Can we start, everyone? Supply may, we'll first go ahead and start understanding what are the things which are included in supply. What are the things included in? They went ahead and told section number 71A may, section number 71A. What is section number 71A telling? Listen, it says all forms of supply of goods, services or both. All forms of supply of, whether you give the name as such as, means what do you mean by form? You'll ask me, correct? So they told form means sale, transfer, barter, exchange, lease, rental, license, dispose. It is such as means only for example. They are telling Ramesh, if you go ahead and do a sale, if you go ahead and do a transfer, if you go ahead and do a barter, exchange, lease, rental you are doing, license or disposal, all are what, everyone? Forms of supply. But remember one thing, it should be done. Means sale should be done or agreed to be done for a, what do you mean by consideration, everyone? Something in return. Do you guys agree with me? It can be monetary in return, non-monetary. Whatever I get in return is what, everyone? And it should be in the course or furtherance of business. Only then it will be a supply. Can you tell me what are they trying to tell over here? Number one, they are telling it should be a form. Form means it should be an activity. What kind of activity? Sale, transfer, barter, exchange, lease, rental, license, disposal. It should be done for a, means I should have done a sale for a consideration, and it should be my what, everyone? In the course of my business. I'll tell you one thing. One shopkeeper is there. Masala dosa is selling. Is it a sale? Is he doing it for a consideration? Is it his business? So what he is doing is supply. Will GST come? Yes. 1 minute. I'm teaching you guys. 1 minute. Is it an activity? Can I tell it's a sale for me? Am I doing it for a consideration? Are we charging you? Is it my business? Is a supply. Can I go ahead? One shopkeeper is there. Okay? He is going ahead and selling, supposingly, bottle, water bottle. Here, plastic water bottle. Is it a sale? Retail? No. He sold you one bottle. You gave him 20 rupees. Is it for a consideration? Is it his business to sell water bottle? Is it supply? When he is collecting the money from you, he will collect GST and pay GST to the. That's all, everyone. Tell me one thing. Are you guys able to understand this much? Can I explain again or got it? Chalo, we'll go ahead and start doing one thing. I'll go ahead and start giving you the example of one first one sale. For an example, number one. Uh, Number one, we'll go ahead and take the example. This is Audi showroom. Audi. Okay, everyone. Okay. Who is this? Why should boys have all the fun? We will draw. Madam, your name? Yes, Ashwini. This is yes, Ashwini. Okay, everyone. Okay. This is yes, Ashwini. Almost same. Okay. Only for classroom purpose. Okay. So what happened over here? Audi went ahead and sold a car to Yashaswini. Okay. Audi went ahead and sold a car to Yashaswini. Yashaswini paid Audi 10 lakh rupees. My question to all of you, when Audi sold a car to Yashaswini, is it supply? Number one, is car goods or service? Goods. Okay. Is it supply? For supply, three things are important. Number one, it should be a form. Number two, it should be for a. Number three, it should be in the course of. Number one, what kind of a form is it? Sale done by them. Is there a consideration? Is Audi getting anything in return? Yes. Is it Audi's business to sell car? So, Baba, is it supply? If it is supply, GST will get imposed. It means what will Audi do? Audi will collect from the Bakra GST and pay the GST to whom, everyone? Please tell me, everyone, are we clear with this? Is section number 71A extremely easy? 71A, all the shopkeepers in the country are doing what, everyone? Supply. And falling under which section? 71A. What is it? Sale. Is the first example sale clear to all of you? Hello, I'll ask you one question, okay, everyone? Now, for an example, we'll go ahead and say, you tell me. Sir, your name? We'll draw the room, okay, everyone? Yes. Okay, what is this? This is, who is this, everyone? Tarun. If you don't understand, this is T for Tarun. Okay. Now, what Tarun did, Tarun wanted to go ahead and sell his old car. This is Tarun ka old car. He's sitting on his car. Okay. Now, what happened? Tarun decided he will go ahead and sell his old car to one person. For example, this is Tarun's friend. This is Tarun's friend. Who is Tarun's friend, everyone? Where is Natraj? We have to draw now. Where is Natraj? Okay. This is Natraj. Okay, everyone. Huh. Now, Tarun's friend Natraj, Baba, he's happy. He's buying a car, correct? So, Tarun went in and sold his car to Natraj. My question to all of you, he sold a car and Natraj paid him 5,000 rupees, useless car. Okay? Dhanraj, Natraj, whatever. You understood. Baba, you understood my feelings. No, he is Dhanraj. Take everyone done. Now listen, you tell me one thing. When he went ahead and sold a car, when Tarun sold a car to Dhanraj over here, my question is it supply or not supply? Number one, is car goods? Goods means every kind of movable property. Now you tell me, is goods ka definition very easy? When you will learn supply, no. After that, you will say supply is also very easy. But first time learning things are difficult. Can we go ahead, everyone? Second time when you learn 71A, B, C, no. That time you'll say 71A was very easy. Can we go ahead, everyone? Now, car. Is car supplied? Number one. Is it a form? What kind of form? Sale. Is there a consideration? How much? Is it not Tarun's business to sell cars? It is not his business, and hence it is not supply. And hence, when he is collecting the money, there will be no GST, and there will be no GST which will be payable to the, because the three things are very important. First of all, it has to be an activity. Form means what? Activity. It should be for a, and it should be in the course of 1 minute. Tell me one thing. Devraj sold his mobile phone to Natraj. Supply, not supply. Sale, sale, consideration. Is it Devraj's business to sell mobile phone? So supply, not supply. not supply. I am a mobile shopkeeper. I sold a mobile phone. Is it a sale? For a consideration? Is it my business? Supply, not supply. So when I am collecting money from you, will I collect GST? Will I pay GST to government? Yes. Is 7(1)(a) clear? Not clear. First, I told you only sale ka example. Transfer will come tomorrow, not today. The next one over here is barter. What do you mean by barter? Chalo, I'll go ahead and tell you. I went ahead and told I will give, for an example, we'll go ahead and, madam, your name? Lohita. This is Lohita. Okay, everyone. Okay, this is Lohita. Lohita ko I went ahead and gave GST classes. He told, sir, money to not there. I told, okay, give gold chain. Okay, everyone, tell me one thing. I gave class, I took her gold chain, giving service and giving and taking what? Goods. Giving service, taking goods. Giving service, taking service. Giving service, taking service. Giving goods, taking service. Giving goods, taking goods. It's all what, everyone? Goods to goods, goods to service, service to goods, service to service is what, everyone? Barter. Barter mein money is not involved. Is my point clear to all? My question over here, when I give GST classes to her and she gave me a gold chain, is this supply? 1 minute. Giving GST class is a service. Correct, everyone? Supply ka definition says, Ramesh, it should be a activity for a consideration in the course of business. A, B, C should be satisfied. Correct, everyone? A is what? What activity it is? Barter. Consideration. Am I getting consideration? What I am getting in return? Gold chain. Is it my business to give classes? Hey, who told no? Huh. You tell me one thing. Am I doing business only here, everyone? Huh. ठीक है? It is supply. And will GST get imposed? So when I'm collecting gold chain from her, I should also collect what, everyone? And I have to give GST to the. Can I explain again or got it? Can I explain again or everyone is clear? Barter is clear. We will take the example of now exchange. What is exchange, everyone? For an example, this is Audi over here. This is supposingly this, everyone. This is Devraj, everyone. Devraj, how to identify you? Means when I draw, no, people should identify it is Devraj. You tell me your uniqueness. One tooth is not there. Okay. So when I'm drawing, you understand. Okay, everyone. When I will draw one tooth is missing, then it is Devraj. Take everyone. Ah, this is one example now. Okay, this is Devraj. Okay, everyone. Understood? Now, when I'm drawing like this, you have to understand who is this? Devraj. Done. Only for classroom purpose. Take everyone. Now, Baba, all tooth are there. Okay. Done. Everyone is there. Now tell me one thing. Audi went ahead and told Devraj, we will give you a car. Devraj told, my old car I will give. Old car plus 10 lakh rupees. My question is, what is this? Exchange. Barter mein money is not involved. Exchange mein what gets involved, everyone? Money. Is my point clear to all of you? My question, when Audi gave a car to him, supply or not supply? Giving a car is what, everyone? Goods. Supply says it should be what, everyone? Activity for a consideration in the course of business. What activity? Exchange. What is the consideration? Old car plus money. Correct, everyone? Is it audit's business to sell car and exchange cars? Yes or no, everyone? Is it supply? Will GST come on this transaction? It means when GST gets imposed, no, GST will be collected and Audi has to pay GST to the. Is my point clear to all of you? Can I tell again or got it, everyone? Is exchange clear to all of you? ठीक है चलो. I will go ahead and draw something. You have to tell me what is it. Okay, everyone, ready? Baba, don't tell wrong and all. I'll feel bad. Okay. Very good, very good. This is JCB. ठीक है. Now listen. For example, people, This is JCB, the company which is there. What is JCB company ka work? No, they go ahead and give that JCB machine on lease. Lease and rental mein the difference is rental is for a period lesser than 12 months. Whenever it is for more than 12 months, longer period like 2 year, 3 year, etc., then we go ahead and call it what everyone? Lease. Rental, you'll see rental agreements are generally 11 months. It is less than 12 months. When it is less than 12 months, it is always rental. Whenever 1 day, 1 month, 1 week, it is always rental. Whenever it is longer period, it's called what everyone? Lease. For example, this guy is there. Who is this guy, everyone? This is builder. Baba, body builder, nahi. Real estate builder. Real estate builder, what they do, everyone? They make buildings, correct? So they take JCB machine on lease. They take JCB machine on lease, and per annum, no, they'll pay the JCB ka lease rental. Lease. My question over here, for an example, 50,000 per month rental they are paying. Everyone listen to me very carefully. My question, when JCB company gives it on lease, is it supply? 1 minute. The company giving the machine on lease, is it form, activity, for a consideration in the course of business? What kind of an activity is this? Lease. What is the consideration, everyone? 50,000. Is it their business to give it on lease? Yes. Is it supply? On this transaction, does GST gets levied? If GST is levied, no. GST will be collected GST, and JCB company will pay GST to the. Please tell me, everyone, are we all clear till here? Can we go ahead, everyone? Are we all clear? Hello, everyone over here now. Lease done. Now rental. People, who is whose example? Who is talking? Talking their example. Oh, Baba, your name. Long hairs, long hairs. Ah, Supreet, Supreet. Huh? Okay. Now, whoever is talking now will take their example. Okay. Who is this, everyone? Okay. Who is this, everyone? Supreet. Okay. And people, who is this, everyone? This is Supreet's beautiful girlfriend. Oh, little small. Okay, okay. We'll make her. She's holding his cheeks, and we'll make her wear heels. ठीक है everyone. Heels, heels. ठीक है. This is Supreet and this is Suprita. ठीक है everyone. Now listen. What happened? And okay, people, can we go ahead? Supreet is in love. ठीक है. हाँ. चलो. Now what happened over here? Supreet. People, what is the main example? Only we forgot. Rental, rental. Now, Baba, Supreet's girlfriend told Valentine week is going on. Correct? So his girlfriend told we should go on a long drive. So he went to Zoom car and told, I want a car on rent. Zoom car told, okay. People, listen, listen, listen. Enough. Supreet, man, your love story over here only. You understand here. Yeah, Zoom car told, we will give a car on rent. We will charge you 5,000 rupees. Okay, Baba? Everyone. They gave a car on rent and charged him how much? My question, when they are giving a car on rent, it's rental, right, everyone? Will this activity fall in supply? Number one, what kind of an activity is this? And consideration and business. It is rental. Is consideration there? Is it their business? Is it supply? On this transaction, does GST come? GST gets levied. Once GST is levied, no, it should be collected from him, and Zoomcar should pay the GST to the. Is my point clear to all of you? Can I explain again or got it? People, let's go ahead. Rental done, license. Chalo, we'll go ahead and understand license. For an example, uh, who's there? Who's there? Your name, Baba, your name? Your neighbor's name, neighbors? Yogi. Baba, Yogi went ahead and thought, everyone listen, he is working on a laptop. ठीक है? Baba sitting on a laptop and working on a laptop. Okay. He wanted MS Office software. He wanted what software? So he went to Microsoft. He went to Microsoft and told Microsoft, so much example, still talking. Bad boy, no? Bad manners. Everyone here now. Microsoft is going ahead and giving what everyone license for what MS Office. And Microsoft went ahead and charged him 500 rupees per annum. My question, is it supply? Is it supply? It's a sale. Microsoft is giving a license. Correct, everyone? For it. Is it Microsoft ka business? Is it supply? Does GST come on this transaction? If GST comes on the transaction, from him, Microsoft will collect GST and pay it to the. Please tell me, everyone, are we clear with this point, everyone? Can I explain again or got it? Got it. So what they are trying to say over here is license clear to all of you? License clear? Chalo, theek hai. I'll go ahead and give you one more example. Everyone, you tell who is this, okay? Ready, everyone? I don't like people guessing wrong. People guessing wrong also. Wait, who is Renuka Swami? Huh? Devraj's girlfriend from today. You only told he's in love. He's telling everyone, Renuka, Renuka. Everyone over here now, listen. Only for classroom. Okay, everyone, can we go ahead? Now listen. Who is this guy, everyone? He is the garbage boy. Okay, everyone. Now, for example, this is our coaching institute. Okay, all of you will write test. After the test, the papers you will give. Correction done. Okay, now you three all the paper when went. We have to sell all the waste paper. Correct, everyone? To whom we will call? This garbage boy. Correct, everyone? So we went ahead and sold him. We disposed waste. For example, one fan was not working, we disposed it. One table, you guys broke it, we disposed it. All the papers, newspaper, etc., we disposed it. He went ahead and paid us 1,000 rupees. My question to all of you is this supply? First of all, is it a sale? It's a disposal. Sale you do of things which you basically which are good. It is what everyone disposal. Is disposal covered? Yes. Is it for a consideration? Yes. Is it my business to sell disposal? Is it my business? No. But you know what, everyone? They did not use the word business. They told in the course of business. What do you mean by in the course of business? During the carrying out of my business. For example, during the carrying out of my business, I'm teaching you guys. Hey, during the carrying out of my business, I'm teaching you guys. But during the carrying out of my business, am I also going ahead? Okay. What? Ignore. During the carrying out of my business, what do I do, everyone? Disposed. Will that also come in supply? Tell no. So they are telling in the course of your business, if you do something during the course. So people, here it is not my business, but in the course of business. Can I go ahead, everyone? And hence it will be what, everyone? If it is supply, will GST get imposed on this transaction? It means from this guy, I should collect GST and I should pay the GST to the. Please tell me, everyone, are we all clear? People, remember one thing. Whether it is any activity we do. For example, I'm teaching you guys. I will tell, sir, I'm providing service. You call it sale, transfer, barter, exchange, lease, rental, license, disposal, whatever name you want, you give it. It is only for example they have told this, correct? Plus, I should do it for a, and I should do it in the course of. Can Tell me one thing. I disposed of all the garbage of my institute without any consideration. Supply, not supply. Not supply. Why? Because consideration is missing. So all the three things are important. Thirdly, for example, whose example will take? Example. Wait, wait. Your name. Pawan. Okay, Pawan. Pawan, good boy, but Pawan, bad boy. For example, Pawan, he told, I want money. So what he did, his home ka all garbage is there, no? He told, Mama, all this old newspaper I'll sell and come. Okay? Then I'll get some money. I'll go and eat ice cream with my girlfriend. Okay? So what he did, all the home ka newspaper he went and he sold it. My question, has he done a sale? Has he done for a consideration? But is it his business to sell old newspapers? But he sold all his old newspaper and took money. Is it supply, not supply? Why not supply? Not not a disposal in the course of business. All the three things are important. It should be an activity for a in the course of. Is my point clear to all of you, everyone? Is my point clear to all of you, everyone? ठीक है. Now I'll ask you one question, everyone. ठीक है. This AC which is there, working fine only, but we thought we'll get good AC. ठीक है. And we went ahead and sold this AC. Is it a sale? Is it for a consideration? We charged 10,000 to the guy who bought this AC. Is it my business? But is it in the so during the carrying out of my business, did I sell this asset of my business? Baba, is it a business asset in my books of account? When I sell it, it will be considered as sold in the course of my business, and on the sale, I should charge what, everyone? Collect GST and pay GST to the. Is my point clear to all of you? It is not necessary. For example, you tell me one thing. We are a coaching institute. Number one, we are teaching all of you. Is it supply? Tell. Sale for a consideration in the course of business. What should we do? We should collect GST from you. Just a second. We should collect what, everyone? GST and pay GST to the. Anyone any doubt till here? Are we all 100% clear? Sure, everyone got it. Okay. Secondly, we sold this projector. It had become useless, disposed for a consideration in the course of business. Supply, not supply. Supply. ठीक है. One student wanted one book, not one book. One student wanted might be he wanted one extra class. We gave extra class and charged. Is it sale for a consideration in the course of business? Will GST get imposed? Will we collect? Will we pay? Yes. Okay. In the course of business, we sold a book. Is it a sale for a consideration in the course of business? When we collect, should we collect GST? Okay. Will GST get imposed? Yes. But should we collect? Yes. And we should pay GST to the government, correct? But you know what? Books pay government went ahead and told there is no GST, only 0%. So even though it's a supply, but when we go to collect, the rate of GST is only. So what will we collect? Nothing. But only for what? Books. For example, I am an electronic shopkeeper. I am a shopkeeper selling electronics. I sold the laptop. Sale for a consideration in the course of supply, not supply. GST will get imposed. For example, laptop I am a sale shopkeeper, but along with the laptop sale, I also sell. I also do the repairing. Service. Is it an activity for a consideration in the course of my business? Supply, not supply. Did you understand supply? I'll ask you one more thing. For example, one lady is there. Okay? She has jewelry in her home. She wanted some money urgently. She went to one shopkeeper, sold her jewelry. Sale for a consideration. Is it her business to sell jewelry? So when she collects the money, will GST come or no GST? Because it's not her business. One shopkeeper is there, goldsmith. He is selling jewelry. Sale for a in the course of supply, not supply. Is my point 100% clear to all of you? People watching at home, people over here, are we clear with the first one? So now if you can read and tell me, is the first paragraph clear to all of you? It is telling, sir, all forms of supply such as sale, transfer, barter, transfer I'll teach later, okay? Exchange, lease, rental, license, or made or agreed to be made for a in the course of business or furtherance. Furtherance means what, everyone? If you do anything, furtherance means what, everyone? Expansion. For expansion of your business or for promotion of your business. If you go ahead and do any activity, that's called what, everyone? Advancement of business. And that activity also will fall under supply. Are we clear with section number 71A, everyone? Please tell me, can we go ahead, everyone? Tell now, Baba. Sure, everyone. Chalo, everyone over here now. 1 second. See, can you do one thing, everyone? Can you read section? See, 1 minute, everyone. In your book, we have done goods and service ka definition. Then we learned movable property, immovable property. Then we learned all this land, benefit out of land. Did I give you all this example? Same. I've written what do you mean by money over here. I've written what is shares, what is actionable claim, and all the examples which I give 500 rupees, converting dollar to INR, giving money and taking DD. Did I give you this example? Money done. Now supply may I learned taught you section number 71A. Can you read section number 71A and tell me if you're clear? Then we go ahead, everyone. Please read. Read, read, read. Whatever I told, did I write the same thing over here only? Can we go ahead, everyone? So, people, is section number 71A clear to all of you? You guys give me one or two example of what you see as supply on your day-to-day life every day. When you are coming to class, going from class, or when you are outside, what are some of the examples of supply you see every day? Huh? Tell no. Transport. Okay, they are going ahead and doing an activity for you in the course of business, and it's for a consideration. So they are giving you a supply. You booked a cab. The cab wala gave you. It's an activity done by him for a consideration. It's his business, so he's doing what? Supply. Okay. Next, hotel. In the break, you go to eat food. That guy is giving you what? Idli. Okay, it's a sale for him for a consideration in the course of business. So when he's supplying you, he'll go ahead and charge GST to you and give GST to the government. Next example. Think no little think. Coffee, same example. Next class, when you come to the class, we have gone ahead and done you a supply for you. So we'll charge you GST and we'll give GST to the government. Next, transport, okay. Next, clothes, you went to buy some clothes from the market. People watching at home, you also have to try to give some example. You went to buy some clothes from the market. The shopkeeper is doing what? He is doing a sale for a consideration in the course of business. So he'll collect GST from you and pay GST to the government. Next, think. Sir, in vegetable market, is GST charged, sir? Baba, is GST charged or not charged? We are not talking about it now. We are talking about whether supply or not supplying. Whether supply or not supply. So, for example, I am a person who is selling grocery. Sale for a in the course of business. Is it supply? Is GST levied? Yes. I will collect and I'll pay the GST to the government. But sometime what happens? Vegetable, for an example. Government told Ramesh, if you are selling vegetable, it is supply, but don't collect any GST and pay because the rate of GST is only zero. Can I go ahead, everyone? For some things, government have given exemption. But we are not learning about exemption now. We are learning whether supply or not supply. Can we go ahead, everyone? Are we all clear till here? Any other example which you have? Evening, you with your family went to eat food in the restaurant. The restaurant wala is doing what? Sale for a in the course of his GST got imposed on the transaction when he gave you food. He will collect and he will pay GST to the. From today, whenever you go, wherever you go, you should see the bill. They are charging GST. It means you have to understand. Oh, they are doing supply. Can I go ahead, everyone? Are we clear till here? The next one. People, trust me, GST is very easy, provided you start applying it in your day-to-day life. Can we go ahead? Ah, transfer, I told you tomorrow. I told no. Transfer, I'll teach you later. It now, tomorrow. Can we go ahead, everyone? Everyone over here now. The next one. See, here I've cut it. Here, next. People, the next one is 71 double A. 71 double A. In section number 71 double A, what they are trying to say, no? For an example, people, listen carefully. There is a club. There is a club. For example, this club ka name is Bangalore Club. Bangalore Club has many members who are there. Baba, club mein what will happen? All the members will be there. Are yes or no, everyone? What is the club? What is a club actually? It's a group of people coming together, enjoying, putting some money. All of them are putting some money. Okay? And the club is going ahead and providing them service. Are we clear, everyone? So what happens? A club may all the members will be there. Members will put the money subscription. Array, it can be one-time subscription. It can be lifetime subscription. It can be per annum, per month installment which is paid. Correct? And in return, what they will give? Club will go ahead and give goods or service. Here they are going ahead and telling when club is doing anything for the member, it will be a. That's all they are telling. They are telling, sir, a person other than individual. Can you tell me what do you mean by person, everyone? Individual, HUF, partnership firm, limited liability partnership, company, many association of lot of person, association of person. Then, Hey Baba, you have not learned person. You have not learned anywhere person. What do you mean by person? Person can mean what? Individual, Hindu undivided family, partnership firm, LLP, limited liability partnership, companies. All these are what, everyone? Person. So what they are telling, a person other than individual. Why they are not talking about individual is they are telling individual going ahead and giving individual co services. That to anyways will be covered over here only. You know. So for example, I'm a teacher. I went ahead and gave you service. I'm a teacher. I'm going ahead and giving you service. It's a sale for a consideration in the course of my business. That will anyways come. But what they are trying to basically cover over here is, for example, there is a club. Club is like, it can be a group of people. It can be an association of persons. It can be a partnership firm. A club can be also what, everyone? Company. Yes or no? So club will have lot of members. Do you guys agree with me? To all the members, the club will go ahead and give what, everyone? Club will go ahead and do activity for its member. Activity for its member. What activity? For example, club will give food to its member. Club will go ahead and allow the members to use swimming pool. Club will go ahead and allow its members to use gym. For all this, the club will go ahead and charge what everyone per annum subscription charges. So what they are trying to say, club is separate, persons are separate, and the club is doing an activity for the member. It is a here they went in and did not say club doing business. They told if club is doing activity and consideration is there, it will be a supply. Because for example, I am a club. I am a club. What we did, no? For example, these four people are my members. I am the club. These four people created one club. Okay? They are giving the money and the club is providing some services to them. They are telling you the club is not doing member. The club is not doing any business. They are just putting money in the bank account and club is doing the activity for us. So club is not doing any business. It can be argued over here. And you know what happened? Supreme Court ka one case law came over here in service tax, wherein it was clarified by the Supreme Court that club doing activity for the member is not a service. Yes, service tax will not come. But in GST Act, no, the GST government wanted GST. And that's why government specifically wrote it over here and told business, no business, we don't care. Club is separate, members are separate. Club doing anything for the member, charging money, it's a supply. Whether club is doing business, not doing business, we don't care. Club is doing what everyone? Any activity with the member, members are going ahead and paying what? Cash. Deferred payment means what? Subscription. Deferred payment means delayed payment. Installment. They will go ahead and pay subscription, per annum subscription. That's called deferred payment. Deferred payment means what everyone? Subscriptions. Or any other valuable consideration. I am the club. I gave services to the member and member is giving me any other thing. Might be club ka member paid me gold. They are telling whether members are paying what? Cash or they are paying monthly annual subscriptions or they are paying what? Any other thing. Remember one thing, club doing activity with the member or member did something for the club. It is vice versa also. It will always be considered as what everyone? Supply. So tell me one thing everyone. There is Bangalore Club over here. Bangalore Club did activity for the members and charged them 5,000 rupees. Is it supply? Will GST come? Club is telling, no, no, we are not doing business. We are just doing it for the member. Still, it will be considered as what everyone? Supply. Whether club is doing business, not doing business, they don't care. In the first one and second one, what is the difference? First one, business was there. Second one, any activity by the club for the member or member did anything for the club. Always it will be considered as what everyone? And they are telling club is separate and the members are also separate. Can I go ahead everyone? You know what people argued? For example, these four people are there. They created one club. The club ka name they gave Chit Chat Club. What did they do? Nothing. They put money in the club ka bank account and that money say they are spending for them on themselves only food. Evening they are going out. They put the money in the club ka bank account. Evening they go out and pay from the club ka bank account. Gone, gone, Baba, gone. It's a supply. Club going ahead and doing service for you and you paying them. Club is separate. You are better don't create club. Otherwise GST will come. What government is telling? Club is separate. You are separate. Baba, you tell me one thing. Tomorrow, just think all four of them fought. Where is the club? There is no club because they are only the club. So our club and these people actually separate, or they are only the club. They have only given themselves the name as what? Chit Chat Club. But government is telling no, 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 no. You gave yourself the name as what everyone? Chit Chat Club, Chit Chat Club, and you are separate. You put money in the Chit Chat Club, and Chit Chat Club doing anything for you is a what everyone? Supply. You tell me one thing. Four people created one club. What is the club? If these four people died, then you think one, two, three, four people created one club. Okay? The CA club. If these four people died, where is the club? So is these people and club separate or they are only the club? But government told no, you are not the club. You are separate. Club is separate. If you put money in the club and club does anything for you, it will be a supply. Is my point understood, Leon? I explain again, forgot it. Exam question. Cosmopolitan Club goes ahead and provides televisions to all its members at a reduced price. 10,000 ka television given only for 2,000 rupees. Is it a supply? Club doing anything for the member, whether it is good, service, doesn't matter. Charging an amount, it will be considered as what, everyone? Can I explain again or got it? Club going ahead and giving services to the member and charging annual subscription of 10,000. Supply, not supply. Supply, 10,000 rupees collected. Will GST be come? Will GST come, everyone? Will the club pay GST to the government? Yes. You know what happened? Supreme Court का service tax का case law में Supreme Court went ahead and told club and members are not separate. Members are only the club and hence there is no supply. But government wanted GST. Government told that Supreme Court ka case law is there. We want to put it in the dustbin, forget it. And hence government inserted one point AA in between here. After the GST Act came, no, this case law came. Supreme Court told club and members are not separate. So government told no, 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 we want GST. So what change they did in GST, everyone? They inserted. Is my point clear to all of you? Can I explain again or got it? Got it. People want sitting at home. Are we all clear till here? Navita, Guru, Aparijita, Thilak. Are we all clear till here? Chalo. Everyone over here now. People, can we go ahead? Chalo. Tell me one thing. We are done with section number 7. Section number 7. What did we learn, everyone? Section number 7. 7. 1A. Activity for a consideration in the course of business. AA. Person other than doing an activity with the for A will be always considered as what, everyone? Business is not important here. Activity plus here A, B, C. Here activity and can I explain again or got it? Now it says B. B talks about importation of service. Can anyone tell me what do you mean by importation of service? Taking service from abroad. It means supplier is outside India. People, everyone, right hand up. My right hand is up. Your left hand. This side means your left hand. No. Hey, my right is your left. Supplier is outside. Hands up, everyone. Hands up. Hands up. My right is your left. Supplier is outside. Recipient is in. You have to say recipient is in India. And if service is given by him in India, it's called what? Supplier is outside. Hands up. Ah. Recipient is in. Service given in. People sitting at home, please do hands up. Because if I tell you, will not listen. Supplier is outside. Recipient is in. Service given in. It's called what? Importation of service. Now you tell me one thing, everyone. That person from outside India, for example, he gave the service from outside India. Supply is seen from recipient's angle or supplier's angle. Hmm. You came to my shop to eat one masala dosa. 1 minute. I sold the masala dosa to you. Supply is seen from your angle or my angle? Supplier's angle, no. It's a sale for me for a consideration and it's, Baba, you are eating masala dosa for your business or non-business. Does it matter to me? You're telling, I'm eating masala dosa not for business. Does it matter to me or I have done business? So will it be supply? Supply is seen from whose angle? Recipient's angle or supplier's angle? Supplier's angle. So tell me one thing. I sold you one masala dosa. Whether you bought the masala dosa for your business or non-business, does it matter to me or does not matter? Will I charge GST to you if I am a businessman? Arey everyone, did you understand what I'm telling? I sold a mobile phone to you. Masala dosa example, business, non-business will not come. I sold a mobile phone to you. Now, whether you bought the mobile phone for your business or non-business, does it matter to me? Or from my angle, so it is business only. I have done business, I will charge GST. Do you guys agree with me? Tell me one thing. When I import a service in India, supplier is where? Outside India. Recipient is in. Now, for example, I took advocate ka service. Everyone, I took whose services? Advocate is in London. He gave the services to me for my business purpose. Or he gave the services to me in India for my non-business purpose. Does it matter? Does not matter. Why? From supplier's angle, is it supplying? Has he done business? Whether I have taken for business or non-business, does it matter? Does not matter. The government says, Ramesh, if you import services for a business or non-business, doesn't matter. Both will be considered as what, everyone? You don't cut anything, I've cut. Both will be considered as why? Supplier has given the services. From his angle, he has done what? Supply, and hence it will be considered as supply. Now, for example, I took the advocate ka services for my business purpose. Supply. I took the advocate ka services for my family dispute. Why supply? Why it does not matter? From supplier's angle, if you see, he has done business. Can I explain again or got it? For example, I'll still tell one more. One interior designer is there from US. I hired the interior designer to design this classroom for you. He has done the interior designing of this classroom. Supply, not supply. Supply. I hired one interior designer to design the interiors of my house. From supplier's angle, has he done business? And hence, whether you take it in India for business purpose or from supplier's angle, it will always be considered as what, everyone? Can I explain this again or got it, everyone? Over this next point which is there, no. Tomorrow I will tell, not today. Okay? Remaining point I'll tell tomorrow. Now you tell me, everyone, what did I tell you till now? I went ahead and told you section number 7. Section number 7.1. A. Activity for a consideration in the course of business. A, everyone. Person other than doing an activity with A. For A. B, everyone. If you import, can you tell me what is importation of service, everyone? Supplier is outside. Recipient is in. Service given in. That's called what, everyone? Importation of. If I take it for A, whether I take it for business, you tell me one thing. I paid him money, he gave the service. Whether I take for business or non-business, does it matter? Does not matter. From his angle, has he done supply? So will you call this also supply and will you call this also supply? Can I explain again or got it? Please tell me one thing, everyone. Here I went ahead and told you 7.1 AA, this club wala example. Then I told you importation of service. Can you see, everyone? Importation of service for a consideration business or people. Now, everyone, all the examples also I have given, but this point which is there, no, this remaining point I have not yet explained you. So we are done till here. Now, tell me one thing, everyone. Would you guys like to see once the chart book and tell me if A, and B is clear to all of you? Please see. Spend 30 seconds. Spend 30 seconds, see and tell me, everyone. See, everyone. Please read. Please see and tell me once you're clear, then we'll go ahead. Done. Everyone, are we done? Chalo, tell me one thing. Ramesh imported legal consultancy services from US for a consideration of $10,000. Supply, not supply. Supply. Ram went ahead and paid to the Bangalore Club 10,000 rupees towards annual subscription. Supply, not supply. Very easy chapter, Baba. There is nothing in this chapter. Can I go ahead, everyone? Did you understand A, and B? Trust me, we'll take today, tomorrow, and day after also this chapter only will go on. But day after, when we'll finish this chapter, you will tell me, sir, it is so easy. We remember in the 5 minutes. But first, you have to understand each and every point one by one. Can we go ahead, everyone? Hello, everyone over here now. Can you tell me 71A, AA, B, 71A, AA, and B? People, one thing which I'll tell you, unless we don't go ahead and finish till here, 71C, we can't do question answers. At least this much concept you have to know, only then you can start question answer. So once we go ahead and finish till section number 71, C, only then we can start doing question answer from this chapter. Can we go ahead, everyone? Because generally, question answers which come are mixed with this and this. Otherwise, you will feel, sir is not doing it only. But Baba, there is no question only which you can do unless you finish section number 71 complete. 71A, AA, B, and done, everyone. So don't feel that I'm not doing question answer. Right time pe right question I will do. Can we go ahead, everyone? Now, section number 71C. Activity. Okay, can you tell me in A, AA, and B, what is common? In all the three, what is common over here? Because here also you will see it is to be for a consideration. This also and this also. But government told, sir, there are some activity which if you do without consideration also, we'll consider it as what, everyone? Activities which are specified in what? Schedule 1. Government have gone ahead and told one. Schedule 1. Schedule 1 means it's an annexure. It's just what, everyone? The whole law is there, no? After the law, they have put what, everyone? Annexure. And that annexure may, they have put 4 activities. How many activities, everyone? If you go ahead and do those 4 activities, A, B, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Not A, B, 3, 4. 1, 2. If these 4 things you do without, it will be considered as what, everyone? 1 minute. Let's try to open government ka website so that I can show you schedule 1. If your good luck is very good. If bad luck is very bad. Government ka website is not working. Can we go ahead, everyone? Are we all clear till here? Oh, is this not working? Not working. Chalo, forget it. Everyone over here now, listen. People, listen. When one day that will work, no, then government ka website I'll show it to you. Are we clear, everyone? As of now, nothing. In section number 71C, government told what, when you went to section number 71C, government told in schedule 1, schedule 1 means annexure. In the law, we have given one annexure whose name is what, everyone? Schedule 1. Annexure number 1. In that, we have given how many activities, everyone? If you do this 4 activity without, then also it will be considered as what are the 4 activities? We'll do the first activity, which is over here. The first activity says permanent or disposal of business where ITC has been availed on such people. I want to go ahead and explain this point. People, tell me one thing. Ready, everyone? Ready? Chalo, take it. Tell me one thing. For an example, I am a dealer of shirts. I am a dealer of. Take it. What I did, no, you understand, everyone? I went in and bought 2 shirts at 2,000 rupees plus GST 200 rupees. How much I bought the shirts for? 2,000 rupees plus paid GST 200. Can you tell me how much input tax rate will I get? 200? Sure, everyone. Everyone understands what is input tax credit? What is input tax credit? Whatever you buy for your business, you will get the credit. How much credit will I get here? 200. What will I do with 200? When I sell, I can set it off. Do you guys agree with me? Hurry, everyone. People who are talking, please listen. See, Baba, if people who are talking is supply chapter, then after supply chapter, if you don't listen in supply chapter, no. If you're talking, and after 3 days you realize you did not understand supply chapter, then from fourth day you can stop coming to class only because you will not understand anything. Supply chapter is the main backbone of GST. People who are still talking and talking to their neighbor and themselves also talking to them, oh, you're wasting time. Trust me, after 2 3 days, you will not understand anything in GST. Supply chapter is very, very important. That's why I'm telling, please listen. Okay, everyone, can we go ahead? Chalo, everyone over here now, listen. One company bought two shirts for 2,000 rupees and GST paid how much, everyone? 200. Input tax credit. Yesterday, I was teaching you input tax credit. Yesterday, it was so difficult for you to understand. Now it is what? You buy, you will get credit. Can I go ahead, everyone? Now, they sold one shirt. One shirt sold for, not fold, sold. Sold for supposingly one shirt they sold for 2,000. Full, too much profit they are making. They sold for how much, everyone? 2,000. GST rate is 10%. Can you tell me how much GST they will charge? Can you tell me, everyone, after selling of one shirt, what is the calculation they have to do? Output tax liability is how much? Input tax rate is how much? See, Baba, input tax rate, no, it will fall in a bucket. How much input you have? 200. It does not say that one shirt ke liye 100, so you can use only 100 when you are selling one shirt. No. Whatever credit is there, you can go ahead and use it. Can I explain again or got it? How much credit was there? You used 200 rupees. Can you tell me how much will you pay to the government? Zero. You told, huh, nothing. Last time, 200 I paid, I deducted. Correct, everyone? Anyone, any doubt till here? People, please tell me, anyone, any doubt till here? What is government waiting now? Government is waiting for what? Can you tell me when I sold one shirt, under which section this will come? Sale. Section number 7(1). Array activity for a consideration and in the course of. This is very clear. 7(1)(a), is it easy? Very easy. Can I go ahead, everyone? No. You know what government is waiting for you to do? Second shirt. You know what you did? Second shirt, you told, I will give free to friend. And you told government go output tax liability zero, input tax credit zero, and you paid zero and you became hero. Government is telling you think I'm a fool. You bought two shirts, took the credit. It means you should have gone ahead and sold both the shirts. Do you guys agree with me? The second shirt which you gave to your friend, no. Government is telling Ramesh, I will deem this activity as permanent transfer of business asset. What do you mean by business asset, everyone? Current asset, fixed asset, all assets are business. Any asset of the what was this bottle? Business asset. This laptop, business asset. This AC, business asset. Asset of the business. It can be stock, current asset. It can be fixed asset. Any asset of the business is called what, everyone? Business asset. Please tell me, everyone, are we clear? If I am a dealer in shirts are what, everyone, for me? Stock. Stock is what? Current asset. Current asset is also business. So government is telling Ramesh, permanent transfer of business asset. Did I take the ITC on this asset? Did I take the whole credit? Then government is telling Ramesh, 7(1)(c) may you have fallen. Permanent transfer or disposal of business asset. Did you take the ITC? Yes. Even if you supply without, it will be considered as what, everyone? And you have to pay what, everyone? So can you tell me? So government is telling Ramesh, you have to go ahead and pay GST of 200. Input is zero, and hence you have to pay 200 by using your cash. From your bank account, you have to pay 200. Is my point clear to all of you? Now your question will be, sir, when you sold it without any consideration on what amount I should pay GST. On what amount I should pay. This value is generally the open market value. In the open market, what price may I am selling the shirt? 2000 mein no. So I should pay GST on the free wala shirt also on 2000 rupees. Can I go ahead, everyone? In the open market, at what price I am selling my shirt? It means if I gave free also, what will be the value of the free shirt? And I should pay GST on what amount? But on what value you have to pay GST? Open market value. All these calculations are not required at intermediate level. We will learn in CA panel. They will not ask you on what value you have to pay GST. They'll ask you whether supply or not supply. Can I ask again or got it? I'll still tell once again. Listen. People, again, everyone over here. I went ahead and bought one projector. People, I bought a 5,000 rupees. GST paid 500. Can you tell me how much input tax credit? Okay. This projector I bought for my business so that I can go ahead and show the classes to my student. The more business I will do, people see, I bought this projector. Will I get the credit? I got the credit 500. Correct? Now, what will I do with the projector? All of you, I'm doing classes, I'm giving classes. It means if I have the projector, am I able to do more business? It means, are you guys sitting in my class? Am I going to charge you GST? Ultimately, who is getting the GST? So, government says, Ramesh, whether you buy those assets which you sell or whether you buy those assets which you are going to use in your business, because if you do more business, more GST government will get. Do you guys agree with me? So tell me one thing, in my business, I bought this asset. Will I get the credit? Okay, I got the credit. Done. Now, what should I do with the projector? Use it in my business. You know what I did? I went in and gave projector for charity. Tell me one thing, if I give it for charity, what will government call it as? Permanent transfer of my business. Did I take the ITC? Did I take the ITC, everyone? Will it be considered as supply? Right, hello. People, is it permanent transfer of a business asset? Did I take the ITC on the asset? It will be considered as. Do I have to pay GST? My point clear to all of you. People, what government is selling, Ramesh? Why did you give it for charity? You should have used it for your. If you give it for charity, I'll classify it as what? Permanent transfer. You call it transfer or disposal, whatever your wish. Of business. Did you take the credit? What will happen here? Okay, I'll ask you one question. What if I did not take credit? Government is selling. If you did not take credit, it means you have never used, you have never thought it will be for your business because businessmen take credit. Just imagine. Just, madam, your name? Yashaswini went ahead and bought one projector. Did not take the credit. It means not for our business. He gave it for charity. Supply, not a supply. Is my point clear to all of you? Okay, I bought one shirt. Did not take any credit at all. Gave it to my employee. Supply, not a supply. Gave it to my friend. Supply, not supply. Why not supply? Can't I buy something and give it to my friend? But don't take. If you take ITC means you have taken it for your business. And if you take it for your business, sell it. Otherwise, if you give it free, you have to pay AS. Please tell me, everyone, are we clear till here? Chalo, I'll ask you one more time, everyone. This is telling permanent. Number two, transfer or whether you transferred it or you disposed it, whatever you give it. Of business, Baba, business asset, does it mean only current asset, fixed asset? Where ITC was availed on. Can I explain again or got it? Got it. Okay, chalo. I'll ask you some questions. You tell me. I'll understand. You understood it, and then we'll go ahead. Okay? Chalo. Everyone over here now. I went ahead, bought one shirt, took the ITC, sold the shirt. section number 71A. Why? Sale for a consideration. Will it be supply, everyone? Very good. I went ahead, bought one shirt. I did not take the ITC. Still sold the shirt for 10,000 rupees. Sold for a consideration, right? Read 71A. Does 71A say about anything about ITC or does not say anything about ITC? 71A says number one, is it sold? Is it for consideration? Is it in the course of your business? Supply, story over. Whether you take ITC or don't take ITC, 71A never told about ITC anything. Can I explain again or got it? I bought this television for my business, used it for some time, took ITC, sold it, supply. I had not taken the credit, still sold it because sale for a consideration. Is it your business asset? Sold it. Consideration. Supply. ITC taken or not taken doesn't matter. When there is consideration, people here. When there is consideration in this part, ITC taken or not taken doesn't matter. For example, I bought 100 shirts, did not take the credit, sold the shirt for a consideration. Story over. Took credit, then sold it. Supply. 71A, when it is for a consideration, credit taken, not taken does not matter. People, is this too clear to all of you? Can I tell again or got it? Now I went ahead and bought one shirt. I bought one shirt, ITC taken, gave it free to friend. Is it permanent transfer of business asset? Did you take the ITC? It will be a 71C, schedule 1, paragraph number. See, Baba, 71C says go to schedule 1. In schedule 1, how many paragraphs are there? 4. In that, which paragraph may it is apply? First paragraph. Can I explain again or got it? Okay, I'll ask you one question. I bought one shirt. I did not take the credit. I gave it free to my friend. Why not a supply? Permanent transfer of business asset? Yes. But did I take the ITC? If did not take the ITC, it is not a. Please tell me, everyone, are we clear till here? 100%? Can I explain again or got it? Okay. Chalo. I'll go ahead and see if we can ask some easy question to you. 1 minute. People, tell me one thing. I have one question for all of you. People, here. Sudama Associate, people here. Associate, a registered supplier, disposes the computer owned by the business without any people permanent transfer or disposal of business. It had not taken the ITC. ITC was taken or not taken? My question to all of you, it has gone ahead and disposed the without consideration. Correct? ITC taken, not taken. Supply, not supply. Read the answer. Can we go ahead, everyone? Can we go ahead, everyone? Is this question clear to all of you? What are they telling? 7.1c, read with schedule. One, permanent transfer or disposal of business asset is treated as supply even though the same is made without. However, the provision would apply only if ITC has been. It means you should have taken the credit. Sir, how to take the credit? I'll teach you later. But as of now, you think you took the credit. Therefore, disposal is not a supply as ITC was not availed. Chalo, I'll see anything else. Easy question. People, would you like to read question number 12 once? Read, no. Huh? You understood the question? What happened over here? Saab sale went ahead and transferred what? Core air condition to their home. When he transferred the air condition to home, it is permanent transfer of business asset. Did he take the ITC? So it will be considered as what? Supply. Is this first one clear? Then Akash did what, everyone? Akash sold one AC to Sahab sale. From whose say angle we'll see? Akash or Sahab sale? So Akash के लिए it's a sale for a consideration. But is Akash a businessman over here? So hence, from Akash angle, is it supply or not supply? Not a supply. Do you guys agree with me? How many of you could understand the question? Very good. Read the answer once, everyone. Please read the answer. Are we done, everyone? Are we done, everyone? People, do you want me to explain the question again or everyone got it? Got it? Anyone who could not understand, please tell me. I'll explain the question again. Everyone got it? People watching at home, are we all clear with this question? People watching at home, are we all clear with this question? Okay. Chalo, everyone over here now, tell me one thing. What are the things I have told you till now? I went ahead and told you section number 7. In section number 7, I told section number 7.1. Activity for A in the course of B. Importation of for A. Sorry. A. Person other than doing an activity with the for A means activity and consideration also is important. Do you guys agree with me? Then we went ahead and learned B over here. Importation of for A business or non-business. From supplier's angle, it is always A. Then we learned section number 7.1. C. Schedule. Section number 7.1. C. When you went, no, they told please go to schedule 1. How many activities are there? If you do them, it will be considered as supply. In that, the first activity we learned permanent transfer or disposal of business on which you have taken the, it will only be considered as supply. If I have not taken the ITC, not a supply. Is my point 100% clear till here? Chalo, take a 15 minutes break and then we'll go ahead and continue the discussion. Let's take a break, everyone. People, can we continue? Can we continue, everyone? Now listen. People over here, listen. What they are trying to tell is permanent transfer of business asset on which ITC has been availed, right, everyone? You guys have already learned this. I will go ahead and modify this a little now. Everyone, listen. For an example, tell me one thing. I bought one shirt. I went ahead and took the ITC. I sold the shirt. Section number, everyone. 71A. ठीक है. I bought one shirt. I did not take the ITC. I sold the shirt. Section number 71A. Do you guys agree with me? I bought one shirt. I went in and took the ITC. I gave it free to friend. 71. This is also supply. This is also supply. Here also. Because it is permanent transfer of business asset where ITC has been availed on such asset. I went ahead, bought one shirt. I did not take the ITC. I give it free. Supply, not a supply. 71C apply or it will not apply. Why? Because permanent transfer of business asset, but I did not take the, anyone, any doubt till here? Sure, everyone. Chalo, now I want to go ahead and ask you one thing. Tell me one thing over here. I went ahead, I bought one shirt. Okay, I did not buy shirt. I bought cloth. People listen carefully. People who are talking, please be silent. Listen. I bought one cloth. Cloth means to make the shirt. I bought cloth, 1 meter cloth. I took the ITC of the cloth. Cloth I converted into shirt. Okay, everyone. Shirt I sold it. Still supply. Section number 71. A. It's a sale for a consideration in the course of. It's a supply. Do you guys agree with me? Chalo. I bought cloth. I took the ITC of the cloth. Cloth means the material. I converted it into shirt. Shirt I went ahead and gave free. Is it permanent transfer of business asset? Yes, shirt is your business asset, correct? Because it's your stock. But did you take the ITC on such asset? Why? Did you take the ITC on shirt? What is given free? Did you take the ITC on that? No, it will not be a supply. Because ITC was taken on what? Cloth. Given free is what? What you took on ITC on, everyone? What you took ITC on, you have to give that only free, then it is supply. For an example, here you took ITC on what, everyone? Given free was what? Given free is also. That's why it is what, everyone? Here you took ITC on what? Given free is what? It is not a. Because the law says very simple. Permanent transfer or disposal of business asset. Which asset you give free? ITC was taken on. That's it. What you gave free, that also only you took the ITC, then it is supply. For example, I got this remote, took the ITC on the remote, gave free remote only. Right. Bought raw material, converted into remote. Took ITC on what, everyone? Raw material. For example, this plastic. Took ITC on what, everyone? Plastic. Converted into. Took ITC on plastic, converted into remote. Given remote free. Why not supply? Because what you took ITC on, if you give that free, then only it is. The ITC taken on this, given free this, it is not a. Can I explain again or got it? Sure, everyone. I will still tell once again. Everyone, listen. For an example, IMA, people who did not listen first time, now listen. Pharma company, pharmaceutical companies, everyone, all of you know. I went ahead and bought thermometer. Thermometer, you know, everyone. I sold the thermometer. Whether ITC taken or ITC not taken. ITC not taken. Supply, not supply. GST will come. Okay. Anyone any doubt with this? Next. I bought thermometer. Took the ITC. Gave free thermometer. It is permanent transfer of business asset. Did I take the ITC of on thermometer only? Yes, and hence it will be a section number C. Okay. I bought powder. From the powder, we made medicine. I took ITC on the powder, made medicine, sold the medicine. 7-1 supply. Anyone, any doubt till here? People. I bought powder, took ITC, made what? Medicine. And medicine I gave, for example, one flood was there, we went ahead and donated it free. Why not a supply? Because it is permanent transfer of business asset, correct? But did you take the ITC on this asset? I did not take the ITC on this asset, and hence it is not a. ITC was taken on what, everyone? Now, one thing what I want to tell you. Here you told it is not a supply, no? Here you told it is not a. This ITC also will be blocked by the government. Government says, beta, listen, if output is supply, input is allowed. If output is not supply, input also not allowed. Blocked. Can I explain again or got it? Anyone, any doubt till here? Tell me one thing. If something is falling in permanent transfer of business asset and it is a supply, is ITC allowed? Output tax is there. Input is allowed. If it is not a supply, no GST. Right. Can I explain again or not? Anyone, any doubt till here? In the above example, can you tell me if it is not a supply here, what will happen to the ITC? Can I explain again or got it? 100% everyone? 100%? Question answer may. I have already gone ahead and done what question have come on this. We have already gone ahead and done it. So, any other thing which we can go ahead and do on this? Nothing. ठीक है चलो people see last time का exam question May 25 section number 7 for the purpose of goods and service tax the expression supply includes all forms of supply made and okay when an activity can be treated as supply even if there is no consideration or even if it is not in the course of furtherance of business. People tell me one thing, when can a activity be considered if there is no 1, 2, 3? Number one, we learned permanent transfer or disposal of business asset where ITC has been availed on. Can I explain again or got it, everyone? Can I give one more example or you understood? People, shall I give one more example or everyone got it? That one example is clear. Medicine one example clear. Can I close everyone? Chalo, I want to go ahead and do only one more I will do and then I'll let you guys go. Done everyone? We'll learn second paragraph, third and fourth I will do tomorrow. Can we go ahead everyone? Hey Devraj, what happened? Chalo, everyone over here now, listen. People, second paragraph will take 45 minutes. Don't start packing your bag. People are like, ready. Can we go ahead everyone? Here now. Supply between related person. Distinct I am cutting, you don't cut. Supply between related person in the course of furtherance of business. What they are supplying between whom everyone? What do you mean by related person? In GST, related person, the scope is very big. In GST, related person ka scope is, sir, what do you mean by scope? SCOPE. We have to understand scope. ठीक है people, related person definition is there in GST, which is called what everyone? Scope. S means shares or stock greater than equal to 25% in both of them. Listen, A limited is there. A limited is holding in B limited. A limited is holding in C limited. A limited is holding in B and A is holding in how much share? 25%. And can you tell me in this scenario who is related? Who will be termed as related person over here? B and C will be termed as what everyone? Is A and B and A and C related person or not related? No, 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 no. Just because I am holding 25% share, 25% share, I don't become holding company. Holding company is 51% share. So what they are trying to say, if I am holding 25 here, then these two will become what everyone? Related. Can I close the discussion? Is A and B related? Is A and B related? Related? Yes, no, no. Is B and A and C related? Is B and C related? Can I explain again or got it? Are we all clear? Sitting here, like everything you're doing. Okay? But your bad day will come. That day I will send you home. Don't disturb the class. Can we go ahead, everyone? Everyone over here now. The next one. The next is control. See, Baba, sometimes sitting over here, no, we also think you are kids. Kids will do little bit fun, correct? But Baba, fun when you are doing, no, you will miss out one example and then you will not understand it ever. Not my loss, your loss. That's why I'm telling. Listen, no, please, please. Okay. Can we go ahead, everyone? Everyone here now. Second one talks about control. What do you mean by control, everyone? Sir, you are doing control. Yes, control. Okay. What is control? Control means whenever one person is controlling the other person. For example, Papa is controlling Mama or Mama is controlling Papa. Mama controlling Papa. It means whenever one person is holding in another person 51% share, majority shareholder, holding company, subsidiary company, that's called control. When holding company is holding how much percent share? 51%. 25% share is not control. If I want to control the other company, I should be holding how much percent share? So, for an example, there is A limited company and there is B limited company. A limited is going ahead and controlling 51% share of B limited. A is controlling how much, everyone? My question, are they related person? Yes. It means whenever one person is holding 51% share, it is a holding company. When I am holding in you 51% share, you are my related person. Or B is holding 51% share. Baba, either A is holding in B or B is holding in A. Are they related person? Is my point clear to all of you? Can I explain again or got it? Take it. See, Papa is controlling in Mama or Mama is controlling Papa. 51% share. Baba, control, control. My question over here, are they both related? ठीक है, चलो. A limited and B limited. Everyone listen to me very carefully. A limited is controlling C limited. A limited is controlling what? C limited. How? A is holding 51% share. B is also controlling C limited. Sir, how? 51% to A is holding. Baba, control does not come only with holding share. Control also comes when you are controlling the board of directors of the other company. Might be B is controlling the board of directors. Board of directors. My question over here, if you are controlling board of directors, are you controlling? My question. When A controls C, is A and C related person? When B controls C, is B and C related person? I tell no. Because they both are controlling one person, they both also become what everyone? Related person. I'll tell you one thing. Papa is controlling you or Mama is controlling you? Both. Yes. So first of all, is Papa and you related person? Yes. Is Mama and you related person? Yes. Because of you, Papa Mama becomes related. Can I explain again or got it? Papa controls Mama or Mama controls Papa? Papa Mama are controlling you. First of all, my question is Papa and you related? Is mama and you related? Are both of them related? Can I go ahead, everyone? Are we all clear till here? Everyone over here now. Everyone here now. Listen next. So I'll go ahead and give you one more example. This is your T for Dadaji. T limited. Okay. T limited is there. T limited controls A limited. Controls 51% shareholding. Okay. T limited controls B limited also. Might be B limited also D limited is holding how much percent share? My question, if D is controlling A and D is controlling B, are they related person first of all? Are yes or no everyone? My question, if because they are controlling A also and B, will these two also become related person? Are yes or no everyone? Because of a common control. Baba, nothing. You understand one thing, everyone here. Your Dadaji, grandfather, is controlling Papa. Is grandfather and Papa related? Your grandfather is controlling Mama. Is grandfather and Mama related? Yes. Because of a common control, are both of them related? All everyone. Can I summarize this like this? Everyone here. There is A limited and B limited. Whether A is controlling B or B is controlling A. Both are A is controlling C or B and B is also controlling. First of all, are they related? Who will become related? None. Then D limited is controlling A, related person. Yo. Huh. D is controlling B. Are they related person? Because of this common control, who will become related? A and B will become related. My question to all of you. See, your grandfather is controlling Papa, grandfather is controlling Mama. My first question, is grandfather and Papa related? Is grandfather and Mama related? Because of that, Papa Mama becomes related. Papa is controlling you. Are you and Papa related? Mama is controlling you. Are you and Mama related? Because of that, is Papa Mama related? Papa controlling Mama or Mama controlling Papa? Are they both related? My question to all of you, is grandfather and you related? It is indirectly that grandfather is controlling you also, that they are also related. Is my point clear to all of you? That's what I've gone ahead and told. Whether it is direct control or anyone, any doubt till here, please tell me, everyone. Is control clear to all of you? Array, direct control you understood. And this is indirect control. Through him, he is controlling you. Can I explain again or got it? In this whole chain, is D and C also related person? Are we all clear? Close with this point, everyone. People watching at home, are we all clear? People clear? Clear? Sure. Everyone over here now. Officer or directors of one another's business. People, I'm a director in the business or I'm an officer in the business. CEO, CFO, directors, all these are always termed as what, everyone? Related person. Can I go ahead, everyone? CEOs, directors, all these are termed as what, everyone? Related person. This can have more discussion, but at intermediate level, I'm keeping it very simple for you. I'm the CEO of the business, I'm CFO of the business, I'm the director of the business. They'll be termed as what, everyone? Related person. Next. Partners. You know partnership firm? In partnership firm, all the partners are termed as what? Wife of each other. Husband or wife. Related person. You understood my point, everyone? Papa, partnership means all are what, everyone? Related person. If I have four partners, all of them are my what, everyone? Related person. Employer and employee. People, I am the employer. You are my employees. You all are my related. Can you tell me scope? What is scope, everyone? If I am holding 25%, 25%, are they related? Yeah. Control. You know control, everyone? Control, direct or indirect, always related person. O for officer or directors. P for partners. E for employer, employee. Are we all clear till here? You forgot the main important point. In my life, only scope is not there. My family is also there. Correct or not, everyone? You tell me one thing. In my family, is my family my related person? My family will have two people. One is Supreme Court. Arey, my spouse. Who is my spouse? My spouse is my spouse. For husband, the wife is the spouse. For wife, the husband is the spouse. And my children, Baba, they are always related person. Whether my spouse and my children are dependent on me, independent on me, it doesn't matter. For example, my wife is a chart accountant and working independently. Very good. My wife is dependent on me. Very good. My son is a doctor, still my related person. My son is sitting at home and studying. Dependent, independent, always remember wife and children are always what everyone. Then there are four people who are called PGB. PGB, okay? Your parents, your grandparents, your bro, and your sis. Remember one thing, in this there is a point. If they are dependent on you, only then they are related person. Only if they are independent, no, they are never your related person. My point clear to all of you. Tell me one thing. I will ask you some question. My brother is studying law and dependent on me. My brother is a well settled lawyer in London. Well settled means independent, related, not related, not related. My father, Baba, for father, the son is always related. For son, the father, only if dependent. For father, the son is dependent, independent, always related. For son, father, for example, my father is dependent on me. Okay. My father is a doctor, independent, not related. My father is a businessman, independent businessman, not related. My father is not doing any work now, he is dependent on me. Related. My sister is married and settled, not, not related. My sister is staying at my home only and dependent on me. Related. Is my point clear to all of you? Can I explain again or got it? What is related person? Scope plus family plus sole agent. What do you mean by sole agent, everyone? Scope plus family, I told you already, plus sole agent or distributor. Sole means what, everyone? Single. Wife is sole, single. So, Baba, what they are trying to say is sole agent or distributor means, for example, I am manufacturer of this remote. Okay? And I have only one agent across India who is distributing this item. So I sell it to him, he sells it to everyone. So if I sell it to him, it will be called as what, everyone? Selling to a sole agent. And sole agents are always termed as what, everyone? Related person. Okay, if I have one agent in all the states, are they my related person? Not related. Not related. But if I have one agent in India, they are my. So if I sell to them, it will be termed as selling to whom, everyone? Related person. Please tell me, everyone, is related person ka discussion clear to all of you? What is related person, everyone? Scope plus family plus sole agent. Shares of stock greater than equal to 25 in both of them. Related. C for control. O for officer director. P for partner. E for employer and employee. Are we all clear? Family is what? Supreme Court, always related. PGBS, dependent, related, not dependent. Sole agent, single agent across India. That single agent wala point, no. More discussion comes in CA final. At intermediate level, we have a limited discussion. Right. See, Baba, we have section number 1 to section number 174 in GST Act. At intermediate level, we study only up to section number 52. It means you just study approximately 30% of GST ka syllabus. You getting my point, everyone? So whenever I'll talk to you guys, no, I have to talk very limited. I go ahead and talk at lot of time that this discussion more will have in CA final. This point we'll study in CA final because for you only 30% syllabus is there. Can I go ahead, everyone? Don't worry. When you'll come in final, no, I'll give you all 174 section. Learn. Can we go ahead, everyone? Everyone over here now. Sir, I want to learn now only. No problem. March 9th, CA final class is starting. You come and sit. Can we go ahead, everyone? Everyone over here now. Let's go ahead. What you don't need at your level. Now, when you're learning GST, this much only, it is enough. More than this, your brain will not be able to take it at this level. Can we go ahead? But when you go for an articleship, learn little more about GST, then you come for final, your brain is ready to take it. Can we go ahead, everyone? Chalo. Tell me one thing. We went ahead and learned. Now what they are telling? Supply between what, everyone? Related in the course of furtherance of business. Chalo, I'll go ahead and explain you. For example, I am a dealer of, what will I deal in? Sorry. Okay, everyone? For example, I bought one sari. People tell me one thing. I sold one sari. Section number 71A. Done, everyone. Is it supply? Will GST come? Can I take the ITC? Is it easy till here? Okay. Now, for an example, in my shop, who came? People, I will draw. Then you tell. No, Baba, this is my beautiful wife. Only for classroom purpose. Okay, everyone? Baba, everything told in class is only for classroom purpose. Okay, everyone? Now listen. I love my wife. Okay. Safety purpose, I have to tell him keep no. Now listen. What happened? No. I bought sari. I bought one sari. I went ahead and took input tax credit. My beautiful wife came to my shop. She told, I like it. Now you tell me one thing. Will I charge her money? If I charge money, then honey out of home. Correct or not, everyone? So I can't charge. So tell me one thing, everyone. Now this will be called as what? Supply between related. Is my wife my related person, everyone? Have I charged consideration or no consideration? Can I charge money? No. Then, Baba, will it still be considered as supply? Do I have to pay GST? That's all they have gone ahead and told over here. Can I explain again, everyone? So, whenever you are giving anything to your related in the course of your business, Baba, generally in the course of your business, it will be termed only when you buy it and you have taken the. If I supposingly I went to the market, bought one sari, gave it to my wife, will it be a supply? Arre, if I'm not taking it for my business, if I'm not showing as my business expense, if I'm not taking the credit, not showing as my business expense, can't I buy one sari and give it to my wife? That's the personal transaction. Correct, everyone? But government is telling you bought it for your business use. Okay? Paying the business ka money, taking the credit in the business. Why did you give it to your wife for free? You are feeling you control. If you give it free, I want GST government told. What government is telling? I want. Is my point clear to all? And that is what the transaction government is trying to cover over here. Okay, chalo, I'll ask you one question. Okay, everyone. I bought sari. Okay. And for example, one of my friend came. Okay, everyone. This is Kempama. Okay. He's he's the landlord. Okay. My landlord's name is Kempama. Okay, everyone. Okay. So Kempema came. Kempema told Ramesh, I like this sari. He took one sari and went. Now, if I charge her money, might be she can throw me out of the home. So I told, okay, fine, take and go, my auntie, take and go. Now, you tell me one thing. If I give her one sari, is Kempe my related person? My related person is my wife. Is Kempema my related person? So, is it supply between related person? Yes or no? Who told yes? Baba, she is not my related person. If she is related, who is related? My wife is my related person. Correct, everyone? She is not my related person. She is my landlord over here. Now you tell me one thing. If she is not falling in paragraph number 2, where will you make her fall? Paragraph number 1. Paragraph number 1 told what, everyone? It's a permanent transfer of business. Did you take the ITC? It will be considered as, and I have to pay. This is paragraph number. This is paragraph number two. So paragraph number two is specifically to cover related party transactions. Paragraph number one is to cover all other transactions which can't come in paragraph number two. Can I explain again or got it? Are we all clear till here, everyone? Everyone, I'll go ahead and ask you one question if I find one question. Take it 1 minute. Okay. There is no direct question which is there. We need to learn little more to understand this. Chalo, everyone tell me one thing. People, is this example clear to all of you? Is this example clear to all of you? Can I give little more or got it? Chalo, I'll go ahead and ask you one question. I am a dealer of shirt. Shirt. Okay, everyone. Over there is nothing exciting. Shirt ka dealer I am. Okay. He's like, oh, okay, shirt ka dealer. I bought one shirt. I went ahead and took ITC or did not take ITC. Doesn't matter if I go ahead and sell it. Section number 71A, supply. Supply. Is my point clear to all of you? Anyone, any doubt till here? Now, I bought one shirt. I gave it free to employee. Is my employee my related person? For example, the value of the shirt is 2000 rupees. Supply, not supply. Do you guys agree with me? Supply. Array, it is supply between what, everyone? Related. I am the employer. He is the. Will it be a supply? Twist. They told if you give gift to your employee up to 50,000 per annum per employee, it will be exempted. Because what happened? No, generally, a business always in occasion of Diwali, Holi, or any festival, they will give gift to their employees. So they are telling no problem. If you are giving gift up to what amount, everyone? My question: 2,000 rupees ka gift. Will it be a supply or not a supply? Will I charge any GST or no GST? If no GST, ITC? Class. Can I explain again or got it? Chalo, I'll go ahead and ask you one more question. I bought one iPad. Okay? I gave the iPad free to employee. iPad ka value is 70,000 rupees. Is it per annum per employee? More than 50? It means up to 50 will be exempted, only 20 by GST will come or full amount. If you cross 50, entire amount pay, what will happen, everyone? Can I go ahead, everyone? So people, 70,000, will it be a supply between related person? Is it crossing 50,000 rupees? Will GST come? People tell me one thing, in my wife's case, did we see value or we did not see? Here to 1 rupee also supply. Only for whom we'll see the value? Can I explain again or got it? And hence, if it is supply, I have to pay GST. Can I take credit also? Array, when it is supply and you have to pay GST, ITC also is. When it is not supply, no GST, ITC is also. Can I explain again or got it? Okay, chalo. If you got it, I'll ask you one more. People, I bought one shirt. Okay? I took the ITC, gave the shirt free to friend. Paragraph number one, paragraph number two. One or two. Is my friend my related person? Go plus family plus one agent. Is he coming anywhere? So paragraph number two or paragraph number one? Is it permanent transfer of business asset? Did I take the ITC? Is it supply? Section number 71. See paragraph number. Do I have to pay GST? Can I take ITC? Please tell me, are we clear till here? Can I ask you some more questions? Or got it? Still I'll ask. Okay, 1 minute. Chalo. Ready everyone? Paragraph number one and two mix I'll ask. Ready? Start here. Now to you have to reply fast. Only then you will fast go home. No. If you don't talk, no problem. Are we all clear? Can I go ahead? Louder, everyone. Okay. Chalo. Now, everyone over here now, we'll go ahead and take the example. For an example, I am a dealer of pharma company. A pharma company. What else do you want me to take business? A trucks. Gold. Huh? Drinks पे no GST. Alcoholic liquor for human consumption. Correct, no, Baba. GST is a tax on supply of goods, services of both, except alcoholic liquor. First thing I taught. Correct or not, everyone? Huh. Okay, we'll take the example of, for an example, I am dealing in uh, soft toys. ठीक है, for babies, etc. I buy toys, etc. ठीक है, I bought toys. I took the ITC or I don't take the ITC. Does it matter? Does not matter. I went ahead and supplied, sold it, sold, supply, not supply. 7-1. Is 7-1A extremely easy now? ठीक है, will GST come? Yes. ठीक है. I went ahead and bought some toys. ठीक है, I took the ITC. I went ahead and gave the toys free to toy, free to son. My son came to my shop. He told, Papa, Papa, I want toy. He took and went. Supply between whom? Related person. 10 rupees ka toy. Still, it will be a supply. Do I have to pay GST? Can I keep the credit? Very good. I went ahead and bought some toys. Okay. I went ahead and took the ITC. My employee is there. Employee, he went ahead and told, please give me free toy, sir. My son ke liye, I wanted. I gave him free toy worth rupees 5,000 to my employee because his son's birthday was there. He took and went. Supply, not supply. Here you will see value. Up to 50,000 is exempt. If exempt means it is not a, if it is not a supply, I will not charge any. If I don't charge GST, I will not get any. Can I explain again or got it? Next, I went ahead and bought toys. Toys, I went ahead and took the ITC. Now what happened? I went ahead and toys given for charity. Might be one charitable institution was there for kids. I went ahead and gave the toys for charity. My question, everyone, supply, not supply. Sure. Permanent transfer of business asset. Did you take the ITC on the toys? It will be a, do I have to pay GST? If I have to pay GST, can I keep the credit? People, kindly tell me, are you guys 100% clear? 7-1A also I told you. 7-1C ka paragraph number 1 also I told you. Paragraph number 2 also I told you. Can I explain again or got it? 100%? Take it. 1 minute. Is this clear to all of you? Gift given to employee up to 50,000 per annum per employee. Clear? Now listen. Now they are talking about distinct person. Can you see everyone distinct person here? Before I go in and talk about distinct person, I would like to go to your book. In your book, everyone, please come to your book. Page number 2.5. See, in section number 7.1c, they are telling there are 4 activities in schedule 1. Number 1, we learned permanent transfer of business asset. Do you guys agree with me? Secondly, I went ahead and told you supply between what, everyone? Related person in the course or furtherance of business. Are we all clear till here, everyone? Now, I want to teach you one simple thing that is called as distinct person. What do you mean by distinct? People over here, if you go ahead and see, they have gone ahead and told supply between what, everyone? Related person or distinct person. Supply between related person, leave related. Now, supply between what? Distinct person in the course or furtherance of business. People, would you guys like to see till here and tell me if you're clear? Please see. Go through once, no? Please go through once. The related person you understood everyone. Tell me one thing. If I go ahead and supply to my wife one sari also 100 rupees ka, will it be supply? If it is supply, do I have to pay GST? Will I get ITC? Yes. I went ahead and gave to my employee 2000 rupees ka sari. Not a supply. Will I get ITC? No. Is my point clear? I gave to my friend one sari 2000 rupees. Supply? Are yes or no? If it is supply, ITC will be allowed. Is my point 100% clear? Is paragraph number 1 and paragraph number 2 clear to all of you? 100% clear. Now I want to go ahead and talk about the next one, which goes ahead and talks about distinct person. Which goes ahead and talks about what everyone? Distinct person. Sir, can you tell me what do you mean by distinct person? What is a distinct person? What is a distinct person? People see distinct person. No, when we go to the chapter of registration, everyone, when we go to which chapter, everyone? Registration. 1 minute. In registration, page number 10. Okay? You don't have to go here and there. You just listen to me. In registration, section number 25 will come. Everyone, just listen. Just listen. Don't go here and there. Listen. In registration chapter, we will have one section number 25. In section number 25, subsection 4 and 5, they have gone ahead and told what do we mean by distinct person. What do you mean by what, everyone? Distinct person. Person has obtained or required to obtain multiple registration in one or multiple state with respect to each registration is treated as distinct person. हाँ sir, listen. For example, I am operating from the state of Karnataka. Everyone, please understand. We are talking about what, everyone? We are talking about distinct person. People watching at home, are you guys there or ran away? Left, wake up. Chalo. Everyone here now. Listen. In the state of Karnataka, supposingly, I have one factory. And everyone, listen carefully. Under my PAN number, Baba, my PAN number will be one only. Correct? For example, my PAN number is CCBPS 7777R. Okay? Under my PAN number, I took GST registration. I took the GST. I took one registration over here. In that registration, this place will be shown as my principal place of business, my main place of business. Now, what happens now after the factory may the for example, I have a factory where I go ahead and manufacture shirts. I manufacture what, everyone? That is my main place of business. I am also going ahead and storing my goods in one place. Supposing this is a godown or this is a showroom where I store the goods and sell the goods from here. Customers can come, they can see the shirt, they like it, they can buy. Is my point clear? You know what? In GST, whenever you go ahead and take registration, no, you always have to go ahead and show that, sir, do you have any main place of business? This is the GST ka registration form. Where when you take GST registration, no, everyone, they go ahead and ask you, what's your business? Who is the promoter? Then they go ahead and ask what is the main place of business and what is your additional place. Additional place means do you have a godown? Do you have any showroom? Those are called what, everyone? Additional place. So what you can tell when you are taking registration, you can show this place as principal and this place you showed as additional place of business. Can you tell me how many registration you took under your PAN number? One you showed as principal place, one you showed as the brother, main person, and this is the brother, additional place. In the eye of GST, they both will be treated as one person only. It will not be separate person. It will not be treated as what, everyone? Because they are under one common registration. Are we all clear? You know what I did? I went ahead and told, hey, for this showroom, no, Under my PAN number only, I will take one more registration under my PAN number only. Can you do it? Yes. Under your PAN in the same state, you took separate registration. People, you took how many registration? One for the factory, one for the godown or showroom. Now the and Baba, for this registration, this is the main place. For this registration, this is the principal place. Is my point clear? In the eye of GST, under one PAN, how many registration? In the eye of GST, I took how many registration? This is one separate place. This is one separate. If I transfer goods from here to here, no, stock from factory to go down, branch transfer from my factory to the go down, it will be treated as. Because why? Because in the eye of GST, two different registration means two different person. Sir, you took under your PAN number only, no? Doesn't matter. Did you take two GST registration? One, separate. Both are treated as what everyone? Distinct. Listen, I'll read with you guys. See, if a person has obtained or required to obtain multiple in one or multiple state, you took separate registration. With respect to each registration, you'll be treated as what everyone. My question to all of you now, in this example, if I go ahead and tell you, people, tell me one thing. Uh, Are they distinct person? Is this different and is this different? Why? Because in the eye of GST, how many registration I have taken everyone? One and one. Although they are under my PAN number only, doesn't matter. Did I take two separate registration? Is it mandatory to take two registration in one state? For example, in one state I have factory, go down, showroom. Can I do with one registration also? So chalo, you tell me one thing. For example, in the state of Karnataka, people, guys and girls, tell me one thing. People, I know you are little tired. 10 more minutes. Everyone straight. Oh, it's for you only, no? Correct? Okay, everyone listen. Everyone here. You tell me one thing. In the state of Karnataka, I have one factory, one showroom, and one godown. People listen carefully. I took under my PAN number one registration. This is the principal place of business. This I am showing as what? Additional place. This I am showing as additional place. My question, are they distinct person? Are they distinct person or one person only? They are not different person. They are one. My question, if factories I transfer goods here, supply or not supply? Here to here, supply or not supply? Why? Because they are treated as like one premise as one only. Can we go to everyone? But if I take separate registration, is it different person? Is it different person? They are telling they will be treated as different person. Different person ka name is given as what everyone? Distinct. My question, from factory I made the goods transferred to my showroom. Supply between distinct. Please tell me everyone, are we clear? 100%? Can I explain again or got it? Pakka everyone. Chalo, I'll ask you one question then. In Karnataka, I have one factory. In Tamil Nadu, I have one showroom. Understand one thing. In the same state, no. If you are in the same state, one registration may you can show additional place of business. For example, I am in Karnataka, I took one registration. Tamil Nadu branch can't be shown as additional place. Tamil Nadu means Tamil Nadu में separate registration. People, same state, can I show additional place? Same state, can I show additional place? Different state ka, can I show in the state as additional place? So I have to mandatorily take one registration for this under my PAN number and for this also one registration under my PAN. PAN is given by Central Board of Direct Tax, income tax का pen. You will have to use, and you took one registration here, one registration here. My question: have you taken separate registration? How many GST registration? One or two? Two means what? Is it a different person? Is this a different person? Goods transferred from here to here. That's all they are trying to say. Supply between. Please tell me, everyone, are we clear with this point? Can I tell again or got it? So I'll ask you one more thing. Ready? People, same state, one registration, two place. Distinct, not distinct. Transferring from here to here, supply, not supplying. Very good. Everyone got it? Everyone, just like that you are telling. You want to go home, that's why you're telling. Don't know? Okay. Okay, I'll ask. Last bench, everyone. I'll ask question. Don't tell just like that. Okay. I'll ask one more. One state registered, another state also registered. Separate registration in two states. Distinct person. One state, two separate registration. Same state, two registration. Another state, another registration. Oh, I'll ask you one question. You know what? This is my state of Karnataka. In Karnataka, I have a coaching center. Take everyone. And for example, why me? We'll take Devraj. This is Devraj ka electronic shop. Under his PAN number, Devraj ka PAN number only, we have one electronic shop, registration taken in Karnataka. Done everyone? Whole day he will do business. Evening, Tamil Nadu mein no. Devraj has one shop. Sir, what is this shop? You see, you tell me what is this. He's moving here and there. You tell me what is this shop? Alcoholic liquor for human consumption. You understood everyone? When you are moving here and there, Devraj is going here, there, two bottles are there. You understood everyone? What is this shop? Alcoholic liquor. You tell me alcohol pe GST is there or no GST? So will you take registration or not required? Now tell me one thing. You know what happened? Electronic shop say he transferred one television to his alcohol shop so that people can sit, see TV and drink. Now tell me one thing. When you transfer one TV from your electronic shop to here, is it supply between distinct person? Yes or no? Why yes? Next line. Person has obtained or required to obtain registration with respect to an establishment. One shop ke liye he took registration. And he has another establishment in another state. Means the other establishment ke liye they did not say registration. One state ka establishment registered. Another state ka establishment not registered. Then such shop also will be treated as what everyone? Shop of a different person. It will be treated as this shop belongs to different person. This shop unregistered belongs to different person. My question, transferring TV from here to here, supply, not supply. Sure, everyone. So is my point clear to all everyone? 25, 4 and 5. One state registered. People, 1 minute. Karnataka, two separate registration. Distinct person. Three separate registration. Distinct person. One state registered, another state registered. Distinct person. One state registered, another state not registered. Distinct person. Karnataka, I have coaching institute. Tamil Nadu, I have petrol pump. Petrol, no GST, no registration taken. Still what everyone? Distinct person. Can I explain again or got it? What they are telling is, if you transfer anything from one distinct person to another, it will be always considered as what everyone? Supply means between whom? In the course of your business will always be considered as supply. Tell me one thing. We have one coaching institute in Karnataka. We have one coaching institute in Karnataka registered. Another coaching institute in Tamil Nadu registered. From Karnataka center, we transferred one TV to Tamil Nadu branch. Are they first of all distinct? If they are distinct, transferring from here to here, supply, not supply. Sure, everyone. You tell me one question ka answer and I'll let you guys go. Here. Damodar Private Limited. Everyone on the board. Damodar Private Limited registered in. Baba is Damodar registered person in Delhi. Has transferred some goods to a branch registered in West Bengal. Baba again registered person. This is in Delhi. This is in. My first question: are they distinct person? Transferring from here to here. Supply not supply. Over story. I don't want to read more, but we'll read. So that goods can be sold further. Basically, they have transferred from here to here so that it can be. The goods have been transferred without any. The company believes that transaction undertaken does not qualify supply, has no consideration. Ascertain whether the transfer from Damodar to its branch qualifies as supply. What do you guys think? Yes? Schedule 1, paragraph number 1 or 2? Right? 1 minute. Second paragraph, this is distinct person. Can I go ahead, everyone? Are we clear till here? 1 minute, one more question. Everyone here. Sulekha manufacturer have a factory in Delhi, import where they store the goods in Bombay. Both these establishments are registered in the respective state. Delhi registration also done, Bombay registration. Are they first of all distinct? Very good. Finished goods are sent from factory in Delhi to Mumbai depot without any, so that the same can be. My question, from here to here, if you are transferring, is it supplying? Let's read. Hey Baba, only yes will give you half mark. Got my point? This local language to write is the challenge. We have not started writing today, but from tomorrow we'll start. You want to start writing today? We'll write one question. Okay, we'll do tomorrow, no problem. Listen, but we'll at least read this answer. Okay. Schedule 1 stipulates that supplying of goods or service between related person or distinct person, as told in section number, is supply even without consideration if made in the course of furtherance of business. Further, where a person has obtained or is required to obtain registration with an foreign establishment as separate establishment, then that establishment will be deemed as what, everyone? Tell me one thing, is it the law? Now you tell me one thing, law ka language to write, will you need practice? 100%. But trust me, in 20 days you will learn it. You will not write exact. If I tell everyone to write now, do you think anyone can write exact? But you will write similar. In exam, they expect similar. They don't want exactly local language. And don't worry about it. You just have to come to class every day. We will practice in class writing only. Can we go ahead, everyone? Now, in the view, people first they wrote the law. And now applying the law, they are telling the answer, correct? In the view of the same, factory and depot are establishment of two distinct. Therefore, supplying of goods from Delhi factory to Mumbai without consideration in the course of business is supply under section number. Please tell me, everyone, are we all clear with this point? 100%. Baba, that much only are the question which we can do today. 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute. Don't go here and there. 1 minute. Chalo, theek hai, Baba. We'll do tomorrow. People, first tell me one thing. 30 seconds, we'll revise what we have learned. We started section number 7. Section number 7.1. Activity. Everyone with people who are packing. People who are packing. Last bench, madam. You came last and you want to go first. I will make you sit here. Yellow dress, madam. You want to sit here. Came last in the class. And you want to go first. Sit there. Everyone here now. With me, everyone, you have to revise. Section number 7.1. Activity for a consideration in the course of business will always be considered as 7.1 double A. Clubs, etc. Person other than doing an activity with the member doing an activity will be considered as supply. Done, everyone. Then what did we learn? Importation of business, non-business, both will be considered as. Then what did we learn? 7.1 C, number 1. Permanent Transfer or disposal of business where ITC is taken. Do you remember everyone? Second, supply between related person or distinct person in the course of business. What is related? Scope plus family plus sole agent. Distinct person, two separate registration in same state, separate registration. Distinct. One state registered, another state registered. One state registered, one state not registered. Distinct. Same state, one registration, two place. Not distinct. Is my point 100% clear? People, are we able to revise all of them? Now listen. Today's work at home. Today's work at home. Supply chapter, I have not given you anything because we only did the question. In textbook also, I showed it to you. What you have to do is chapter number 1. What will you read? The important questions which I told you. You have to go through them. MCQs I gave you as homework and textbook reading. Supply chapter, you will not do anything. We will do tomorrow. But today, what will you close, everyone? Chapter number. Remember, Friday you have a test. So you have to study. Correct or not, everyone? Test will be chapter number 1 and chapter number. So better chapter number 1. Today you close it. Any doubt is there? Tomorrow you ask me. Done, everyone? Tomorrow we'll go ahead and start with what, everyone? Supply. You don't have to revise supply chapter at all. Tomorrow when we come to class, I will revise 5 minutes and start. But chapter number 1, will you finish, everyone? I'll see you guys tomorrow. Have a great day. Bye, guys. Bye. People with doubts can come.